Welcome to Scientific Legends. Today, we step into the realm of scientific brilliance and innovations, and at the center of it all is a name that has left an unforgettable mark on the world of science. Allow me to introduce to you Dr. William Padulina. Born in November 15, 1946, a luminary whose work has not only reshaped our understanding of the world but has also brought practical solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Born in a modest neighborhood, Dr. Padulina's upbringing was grounded in humility and a thirst for knowledge. His parents instilled in him a love for education from an early age, recognizing the potential of their bright young son. Despite the limited resources, he pursued his education with unwavering determination, often facing financial hardships along the way. Dr. Padulina's early life experiences were marked by a curiosity that knew no bounds. He conducted simple experiments in the makeshift home laboratory, foreshadowing the groundbreaking work that lay ahead. Overcoming financial constraints and societal expectations, he earned his degree in agricultural science, laying the foundation for a career that would change the face of the agriculture. Dr. Padulina's most significant contribution lie in the field of agricultural science. His groundbreaking research in crop improvement techniques, just like the breeding of golden rice, has revolutionized the way we grow food. His work has not only increased agricultural yields, but also played a pivotal role in elevating hunger in impoverished regions. In recognition of his tireless efforts, Dr. Padulina has received numerous awards and accolades. His impact on society is immeasurable, as he has contributed significantly in the world's food security. Man, he really is a man of science. Dr. Padulina once said, "Remember, science is not just about discoveries, it's about making a difference in people's lives." Dr. Padulina's words inspired us to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In conclusion, Dr. William Padulina's contribution to science and society are a testament to the power of knowledge and determination. We hope this glimpse into his remarkable life has left you inspired to appreciate the scientists who shape our world. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the life of a true scientific legend, Dr. William Padulina. Thank you.